I'm sorry to the person that hurt you. I'm sorry if they made you cry.
So, I am in the middle of a nowhere. I just left Popoyo. I was there for one night. Sorry, camera died. So, 2 days ago in Managua they had protests and 3 people actually were killed. Now they say like, oh, don't go to Granada. There's like road stops and shit like that. So I don't know where I'll go. Leon, Granada, where. Fact is, I'm hitchhiking. Maybe let's try to hitchhike a ride from this truck. Yeah, I didn't think so. So, it's an adventure really this time. I have no idea where I'm going, but I'm going forward. Hola. Hola, ¿dónde van? ¿Dónde? Managua. ¿Puedo hacer ride? Creo que me voy a Granada. ¿Sí? Dale pues, voy aquí. Okay, looks like I'm going to Granada then. Sí, puedo sentar allá. This takes me back to my first ever ride when I hitched a ride from a lime truck in Mexico. Link below.
2, 3, 4. And I'm sorry if your family got to you. Maybe your brother got a better guitar score. Maybe your crazy auntie Carol.
Welcome to Granada. That was the easiest hitchhiking I've probably ever done. The fruit truck that I was hitchhiking with, they couldn't take the direct road to Managua because of the roadblocks, so they had to actually come through Granada, and so I got a ride straight to Granada. So as you can see, I'm in beautiful Granada, and oh my god, I'm in love. Like, just look at how beautiful it is. Granada really reminds me of Leon, except that it's like way more beautiful, more colorful, everything's more cleaner, and also the streets are wider. But honestly, I think this is one of the most beautiful cities I've ever seen. If you have the chance to, please come here. It's beyond crazy. So actually what I've been craving for months and months and months has been to see real lava. I did the Gigante volcano hike, link below if you haven't seen my video in Guatemala. But I really have just wanted to see lava from on top of the volcano. So today, finally, I'm gonna do the Masaya Volcano tour. It's actually in an hour, so I'm in a bit of a rush because I just arrived here and I want to eat. But I will see you guys on top of the volcano. There's a fire over there. They're burning like car or something. So we're at Masaya Volcano and I am beyond stoked. This has been like a dream to come here and see lava. I haven't seen the crater yet and we're not able to see the lava yet because the sun hasn't set. But let's go there. Oh, you can smell the gases. Volcanic rock. Holy shit. That is crazy.
Oh, hello.
So our tour guide just told us that Masaya Volcano erupted the first time in 1772, and actually Masaya Volcano is a complex of volcanoes. Today we are visiting the second one, which is Ninindri Volcano, and its crater Santiago, which is the only one that's active. And Santiago actually erupted the last time in 2012, and an eruption means either an explosion of gases or lava, and the last time it erupted it was an explosion of gases, but it's still considered as an eruption. So yeah, we're here and you can see a bit of the lava, the red, and we can actually stay only up here for 30 minutes because the gases are toxic for health. So my asthma is totally gonna be happy about this. It actually sounds like a pot cooking something. And yeah, I thought the lava would be higher so we could actually like see it, like it would be almost, well, not to the rim, but you know, it's pretty low. Maybe that's a good thing. I thought the lava would be higher. It's good that it's so low, but I'm a bit bummed. I expected it to be like blah, 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 blah.